Yo, what's up? This is Sean with BBQGuys, and this is probably the first time you ever met me. I'm usually behind the camera. Sorry, you have to see this. I am a director, cinematographer, and editor at BBQGuys, doing a lot of Grillabilities, some recipe videos, a lot of stuff like that. This is obviously not a grill. This is my editing suite. This is what I'm used to, what I'm comfortable with. Being in front of the camera, I'm not so comfortable with. Cooking on camera, never done it before. So today we're gonna be doing a Bison barbecue burger. Never had Bison before, and the barbecue sauce, I did do that. It was a homemade barbecue sauce that I made up the recipe. Pretty good. I liked it a lot. I think it was pretty delicious. So you should go check that out. I'll probably be a link in the description somewhere down here. All right, let's go make this Bison barbecue burger. So we're gonna add some salt, some pepper, just a little bit, just a little pinch. And add a little egg for a binder. Again, this is a really lean meat. It's about 90-10 ratio, so we want to kind of have a binder to keep it in there. We're going to work it in. Obviously, those are not my hands. Those are my beautiful girlfriend's hands. My hands are way, way, way more rough than hers. So we're going to mix it up. We're going to make a little patty into it. We're going to put a little divot in there. Boosh. Perfect. All right, let's get them on the grill. And we're gonna put it on a cast iron skillet. We're gonna preheat that, put some olive oil in it, and then when the skillet starts to smoke, that's when we're gonna lay them in, just like that. Boom. Now we're gonna keep these about 4 to 5 minutes aside, depending on how hot your grill is. Mine wasn't that hot, so we're gonna probably do 5 minutes aside on this. Looks pretty good. I'm excited to see how these turn out. They look really good. All right, let's give them a turn. Nice char, looks good. Another 5 minutes, we'll take them off. Let them rest for a little bit, about 4 to 5 minutes. Top it with some barbecue sauce. Just a little bit, you don't have to do a lot. Actually, it's a really good sauce. I'm gonna put a little more. Yeah. 2 dops, that'll be good. That'll be good. All right, end product. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. One more bite. One more bite. Good stuff. Okay, so I know I made it look like that was just really easy. But bison is extremely hard to cook. And no one told me that. Beforehand, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cook a bison barbecue burger, and everyone just goes, oh wow, cool, yeah, that'll be delicious. It was so difficult. The first time we did it, I cooked it on just the grids themselves, and they just fell apart. And that was day one. Actually, it was a 2-day shoot. This was day one. My girlfriend was helping me the first day, and they just crumbled on the grill. It was kind of terrifying. I called chef, which was really hard to do because I really want to do this myself. But I called him and he goes, oh yeah, dude, you gotta use an egg. You just put an egg in there. Or another suggestion he made was mixing some 80-20 ground chuck with the bison to kind of give it some more fat to hold it together. I didn't have any ground beef, so I just used an egg. He said that worked fine. Again, chef suggested using a cast iron skillet because the grids are gonna be really difficult to work with bison, that especially you're not having any ground beef and it's just an egg. He goes, use a cast iron skillet on the grill, it'll work perfectly. So I do that, the cast iron is screaming hot. Ah! Then I go to flip the first burger at probably around 3 to 4 minutes. This is what I usually cook a burger at on my grill, about 3 to 4 minutes aside. The one thing that I am not very good at is being patient with meat on the grill. If I flip it over and there's nothing, there's no char, there's nothing. I did it too soon. I did it too soon, guys. And so I flipped the first burger too early, around 3 minutes. Burger started falling apart. And so what do? I flip the second burger, and it starts falling apart. And I'm thinking deja vu, oh my God, I'm gonna lose all these burgers again. Yeah, I had a little meltdown. I took it out on the burgers. Am I proud of myself about this? No, I'm not. Did it feel good? Oh, yeah, it felt really good. But I composed myself. I said, okay, let's just wait on the other 2 burgers. We got 2 burgers, I haven't touched them. I'm gonna let them sit for another 2 minutes. So I'll let these burgers cook 5 minutes each side. The last 2 that didn't disintegrate into oblivion. And so when I flipped those, they had nice char on. They were looking really good, and it was a really good burger. Like I was really kind of surprised because I only put salt, pepper, and the egg in as I don't know if the egg is really kind of seasoning. I think it's just more as a binder than a seasoning. Tony, you tell me what that is. I took those the first bite. I really didn't know what to expect. My God, it was delicious. It was so good. It was really flavorful. It was one of the best burgers I've ever had, and it was a rough burger to get done. It might have been because of that, because I was really kind of struggling to get it done. I was just probably really hungry, but it was a delicious burger. I'll say that. It's definitely something you should try. Learn from my mistakes. Be patient. Don't rush it. Just let it cook. And then enjoy it. And that barbecue sauce, if you make the barbecue sauce and the bison burger, you're gonna be blown away. It was top notch. That was my first try at a recipe. Tony, Randy, you guys are masters at what you do, and I am a mere mortal. Deuces.